There are lots of things in life that are easier to get into than to get out of, from marriage to car leases. Another prime example, timeshares. Here's an email I recently received from a reader. It is from Ginger. She says, I would like to know if there's any way on earth to get rid of a timeshare. I never use it, but of course I continue to pay for it. Any advice you could give me would be greatly appreciated. Well, Ginger, here's some advice, but you're probably not going to like it. First, understand that most timeshares, whether in the snow or the sand, are not easy to sell, even harder with a loan. And the annual maintenance can be a big expense. Most important tip when you want to sell, don't pay any company big money up front to sell that timeshare. The resale business is rife with ripoffs. Tip number 2, start with the company you bought from. Ask them what's selling and see if they have interested buyers. Tip 3, do a search for units similar to yours, then price yours for less. These things are often nearly identical, so the one who's got the lowest price is going to sell first. Tip 4, list your timeshare on sites like eBay or one specializing in timeshare sales. My final advice is for those thinking of buying a timeshare. First, try to buy from a desperate seller for pennies on the dollar rather than from a developer. Second, don't ever plan on selling that timeshare, so buy it and plan on owning it forever. And third, don't ever borrow money to buy a timeshare because that's going to make it even harder to get rid of if you have to. Bottom line, timeshares are like marriage. Getting in's easy, getting out's hard, and maintaining it can be costly. If you want more tips on timeshares, including sites to buy or sell, I've got links and info waiting for you right here at moneytalksnews.com. Just do a search for timeshares. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacy Johnson. Got real estate questions? Get the free Money Talks newsletter. It only takes 7 seconds to sign up, and it's full of deals and news you'll really use. Do it now at moneytalksnews.com.